Open the door.
What do you mean?
I don't know, I just figured I'd check on something.
I don't know what you want, man. Get out of my house.
Open this fucking door! Where's your daughter, man? Where's your daughter, man?
What are you talking about?
Where's your daughter? Who's in there with you?
Bro, if you don't
Open
leave...
this fucking door. Open this door, I'm breaking it fucking down. You understand me?
Leave my house. You don't
Open the door.
belong to this neighborhood. That's for sure.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I live there. I don't know you.
My name is motherfucker. Open the door. This is my neighborhood. Open the fucking door. Now, or I will fucking end you.
Are you sure? Are you sure?